Is this cotton or something? But it looks like cotton. Like cotton candy or something. This looks like an uncoated cotton candy, bro. This looks so awesome. So this is what it feels like living here. This is so cool. But the grass keeps poking my freaking sensitive skin. It itches so much, and I hopefully, please, that ants don't crawl up my slippers and bite me. This is holding up pretty great. Giving us electricity for a light bulb, but there's none. This is a nice view. POV, it's 99 nights in the forest and you decide to build a city instead of a small base. This is amazing. Also, this does remind me of 99 Nights because if you just look closely, you know those trees in 99 Nights? When you build a base, you kind of use the trees to... these sticks are poking! They're making me itch, bro. Just gonna climb here. You know those trees they use as defense? When you play 99 Nights? Well, those trees are the ones I'm thinking of. And POV decided to be a gardener and planted these. What if there was a cotton candy update? Just what if there was a cotton candy update? Jendo would obviously bring back the candy blossom because it's cotton candy. What if he added cotton balls? Maybe dandelions too. Big birdie. That is just so majestic! Slay! 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 Oh, glide. That's a show off right now. That's a freaking show off. There it goes. This is looking amazing. Like, only a few steps away from home. And it's already peaceful. Cultists can't get you. A deer can't spawn. And now it can't just fly in. The ramen goat guy, you know? The new entity or monster or something that came in the new update. Yeah, he won't be able to get in. Unless he rams. Then those trees are cooked. Literally, because that ram can ram through trees. Like it can literally break trees. No need for an axe anymore. You can just find the ram and then rage bait him. Oh, I just found a new method for 1999. Okay, for the ones who's watching, chop down most of the trees and then plant the seeds like on the same area, like a little small area, a little small area, like plant them here, plant them in a small area. Then when they're all grown up, just walk around and find the ram that charges at you. Its horns. These are the horns. So it kind of has this, like, the horns that turn fully red. And when it does turn fully red, it charges. Well, oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so scared right now. Come on. So when it turns fully red, it kind of charges right at you. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna go on one side